Did you know a man stole $10 million from a bank using nothing but a phone call? In 1978, Stanley Rifkin was a computer consultant with access to Security Pacific National Bank's wire transfer room. One afternoon, he glanced at the daily security code posted on the wall, just sitting there, written down for anyone to see. He walked to a payphone, called the wire room, and pretended to be a bank employee. He gave them the code. They transferred $10.2 million to a Swiss account without a single question. No guns, no crew, no tunnel, just a voice on a phone. Rifkin flew to Geneva, converted the money into a bag of diamonds through a Soviet trading company, and smuggled them home in his jacket pocket. The bank had no idea it happened. Days passed before anyone noticed. The FBI didn't catch him through forensics or cameras. They caught him because Rifkin couldn't stop talking. He told a lawyer friend. That friend called the FBI. $10 million, undone by bragging.